Alright guys, we're going to be shorting Ripple, okay? The reason why we're shorting Ripple despite the uptrend is, first of all, we take a look at the USD long table versus the short table, and it's actually not that proportional whatsoever right now. We see a lot of short positions being executed right now, okay? And because of that, I'm with 100% certainty going to be attempting a short position here. So I'm in pretty good shape right now, actually. I'm just going to market execute the rest that I have here, okay? There you go. It's not really that much of a, not that huge of a position right now. It's about 14K. But even if I were to, scalp a very small amount, I'd be very happy with it, right? Because that's my strategy. You guys make note right here of this actually going upwards, okay? So now let's actually take a look at, now that we've established this, let's get this into 4 charts, okay? Let's get into this 4 charts here. It's actually a lot easier to do it like this. Can I do like that? Yeah, it's probably the best I can do. Actually, Bitcoin's not doing anything, so let's just get this into 3 charts, okay? First one will be Ripple, XRP long, XRP short, and this one will be XRP. So let's take a look at these 3 coins right here. And we're gonna make note very clearly that it's not gonna go up, guys. I'm sorry to tell you this, but it's not gonna go up. There's too much of a spread right here. So I'm just gonna actually add more to my position right here, 1.4. Okay. Yeah, I'm playing a very small amount right here. I don't believe this is going to go up whatsoever. I'm sorry to tell you guys that. There's just so much resistance to go up right now, and the volume is just dwindling away. So it's really difficult for me to assume that we're going to get any higher highs. Wouldn't you agree? I mean, take a look at this. Look at the people just dumping right now into the market. 0.057. Yeah, I'm gonna actually support them as well. Just put the market big orders right here. See how there's a hidden wall here? So this is a hidden wall, okay? This is a hidden wall right here, where there's a big wall that's supporting at the 47050 range, okay? And because it's at the 47050 range, they can't actually penetrate below here. So just watch as these people try to actually break it lower, but it's not actually breaking lower right now, and for now only. But this is pretty deplorable, this little uptrend, in my opinion. I think it's more so just them leveraging it right now to try to drive up the actual price. No one is really driving it up yet right now. It was very volatile. But now, there we go, we broke out of it. Okay, I'm gonna market execute this because nobody's buying, man. There we go. I'm now in a decent position with $18,000. Okay, I actually got that little last bit of it at the 47015 range, which is perfect. That was my alarm that notified me when it reached a certain price. Awesome. I notified my alarm for when it was actually above 468, and that's exactly what I anticipated it would hit roughly. So here we go, guys. Let's see if we can actually hit any other ranges here and get a little bit lower. 469. Really difficult for me to think that it's actually going to come down or go upwards, I mean. All right, let's do this now. Let's take a look at the shorts versus longs still. Okay. Give me a second here. It's my girl. I missed her today. Yeah, I haven't seen her in like how many days? It feels like it's been forever. I haven't seen her in 4 days. Well, it feels so long sometimes. When I fell in love in France, I'm kind of like just super happy in general. I know it's really weird to say that, but man, it's super happy in general. Already up 0.3% of that. I'm up $60 at least. I'm gonna just go for a 1% scalp here. Let's just go for 464, 39, 39, 999.99, 464 ranges. Whoa, that's actually too low. It's way too low. 1% there. 464, 47. So there we go. This is probably a lot better and more realistic in my opinion. Something like that. Okay. 0.8%. I'm okay with that profit. I'm not up a lot right now, but it's so difficult to think it's going to get higher, right guys? Feels like this is a throwover. Sometimes she's really busy, and then when she starts messaging me, it goes like crazy. She messages me. Sorry, I'm doing this in front of you guys. Okay, so I've laddered to a pretty decent position now. 5-minute chart's like off the hook right here. We're getting our first histogram tick down finally. We're not really going up much higher. People are really starting to hurt this level 2 order book right here. Tons of people are just hammering away at it. Look at this. They're just selling in 10,000s at a time, just shattering this wall. It's not gonna hold, guys. It's not gonna hold. Look at this volatility on level 2 right now. Getting very, very scary. Just driving down the market, driving down the price. Wow, a lot of people are actually hurting it right now. Oh, that was a big dump right there. That was incredibly scary if you guys saw that. How many people actually dumped there all at the same time? So one of the biggest issues that I have right now with staying in France, I'll be honest with you guys as well, okay, is that I can only stay here for 90 days, right? So I'm trying to basically find a way to stay here for longer than 90 days. Well, you can only stay 90 days every 6 months total. So 3 out of, basically, you can only stay here for half the time of 6 months, right? But if you leave the area, and it's so complicated the way that it works to me. Well, not complicated, but like I'm trying to figure out a way where I can country hop a lot and stay here altogether for 6 months. Well, yeah, it's going to be kind of tough if I have to leave soon and then I don't get to see my girl for like 3 months. Anyways, enough with the personal issues here. But then again, I'm human, guys. I really am human, you know. So the way that I'm seeing this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is making maybe an ABC. I really hope this isn't the first wave up, but we're just seeing it get shattered right now, right? On the 3-minute chart, it's really looking bearish. It's super bearish right now. People are still trying to sell down. This guy's stepping in at 4711 there. Okay, it's looking pretty nasty in my opinion. Let's zoom out a little bit to see where we are retracement wise. We got a shooting star, we got a hanging man, we got another shooting star here. Altogether is looking very bearish. I mean, if I were to take this entire structure, what am I seeing here check wise? I'm seeing this at the 0.5 fib level here. This could very well be an uptrend, or it could be just a really crappy throwover. But this area is some massive resistance, as you guys can tell, right? Right over here. This area, would you guys agree that that's some nasty resistance that we're facing there? Therefore, it's very likely for us to actually retrace down, right? Makes sense. This is like a hot jumble of a mess right here as well. Yeah, even on the 20-minute chart, we're getting like a pretty bearish hanging man there already. On the 30-minute chart, 5-minute left, pretty bullish candle with a lot of volume, but the uptrend hasn't really been for a long time yet, so we got to give it way more time. Okay, we're getting some nasty resistance to go up. This guy just dumped $50,000 on the market here, which is kind of signaling to the market right now that it's not going to happen, guys. It's not going to go up. I'm sorry to tell you this. Okay, you don't want to hear it? Tough luck. We're getting a series of same price right here. We're getting right here. Okay, this is a low, right? This is a low right there as well. Well, sorry, this is a low. Lower high than there. This is a lower low. Like, it's just so bearish right now altogether. Yeah. I can't see this breaking up. I'm sorry guys. Let's just check out how the shorts are looking. Bears are just destroying them right now. Look at this short table right here. How many people entered a short position just now? Like 2% shorts going up. That's a lot of short positions are being entered right now. I should probably tweet this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna tweet it. Okay, I'll tweet it to my followers in front of you guys. Actually, let's go look at the a bigger table here. Bears and bulls are really fighting right now. Bears and bulls are fighting hard. Okay, I'm gonna tweet this. Okay, it's pretty funny actually if you look at how the chart is, right? Especially with that guy who dumped a lot right here. This guy is dumping a lot at a time. Excuse me. In a market execution, in a short market, in a short position market execution, which is spiking up the XRP short table. Yeah, this is kind of funny that this is happening. Okay, I gotta go for a little bit. I'm sorry for being on the phone and distracted right now, guys, but I got some personal stuff to deal with. Alright, so we're in a decent position here. Actually, we're in like a 23k position. It's not that big at all, of course. But I'm gonna make some money today, it seems like. Okay, let's see if we can see these shorts just racking up right now still. But who is actually going to get liquidated? That's the big question. It was actually 3 cents up on each one. 3 cents up on each one is actually like 150 bucks up. But now it seems like we're finding some short-term support right here. But how much support are we finding, you know? You guys gotta look at this resistance right here, right? This is a major resistance zone, which we were in for how many days? We were in it for like 16 hours. And that alone is very indicative to me that we're not gonna break it the first time. Nah, markets don't work like that, guys. They don't just spike up like that all of a sudden, okay? We got a successful close on the 1 minute chart below here. Small little support candle actually, but it was enough of a support candle to indicate short-term support, right? So we're probably gonna get an B going up and then a C coming down here again. This is definitely the 5 waves going up. I have no idea what this structure is though, honestly. No idea what it is. Couldn't even begin to tell you. But that's such a bearish candle. So bearish, so bearish. Right, the volume is just waning off right now, so I just think we're gonna get like a sell-off. So I can't help but think that this is. Oh, look at this guy's coming up here right now. Okay, he's coming up here at 469 with a 200,000 count. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby, that's so nice. I like it very, very much when you do that. Looks so good and tasty, baby. Now let's see if they're gonna try to shatter that. This guy's probably still racking up his short position, to be honest. Shorts are getting liquidated, actually. I think they are. Let's see what happens here. Nah, they're still dumping down. Not gonna happen, guys. Not going up. I'm sorry. I'm right. My 3 favorite words. All right. This is an easy trade so far. Super easy trade. They're just dumping right now, like hardcore. The momentum is like totally rolling over here. Yeah, it's just getting destroyed. I mean, if you look here, I'm gonna close my position right here because I wanna go out and actually get food. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close at 746 right here. Let's see if someone will actually dump down to me. I'd be very, very, very happy right now if someone actually did. So shorts are so high right now, and so are longs. There's quite a big battle. We actually spiked back up there, right? The bulls are coming into here full play now again. Ooh, missed my chance. But there's so little liquidity that a guy dumping like 50 or 100K will easily fill up my position And if I actually do fill it up here, I'm gonna make a quick 0.8% gain on a 24K position, which is like 100 and something bucks, 160, 70, 80 bucks, which is kind of cool. But I don't see like ABC anywhere in here. Do you guys see an ABC? I don't see ABC at all. I mean, where is the ABC? Where's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? Is that a three-wave structure? Because I don't see 5. I see this as a top right here. Volume is just dwindling. This one is not really going up. They tried to break out to the positive sign in the histogram, even on a short time frame, the 1 minute chart. Oh, this one got a nice little jump down there on the histogram tick, right? But is it actually going to round off? Oh, I missed my chance to close. I'm kind of disappointed a little bit. That's okay though. I'm really not that far off. This guy's still like racking up here at 469. He's just being really aggressive right now with his short. Let's go look on the higher time frame and see what's going on here. Well, that one's pretty high. It's hovering. 8 minute chart's just about to cross over, I think. No, not even close right now, actually. How's the 5? The 5 crossed over. Gotta give some time now, though. Like, we got like this little support candle in the 5 minute, but the volume just, wow, it was kind of crazy. In that 5 minute candle there, we were moving up and down 0.5%. That's actually a lot of volatility if you think about it, given how crazy little volatility there's been in the past few days. You guys see that? Every single time they actually try to push up the market, it just completely gets dropped. And it gets dropped hard every single time. Nobody is even getting close to my position yet right here. I might just actually put mine at 5-6 here because this guy's got like a pretty big count there. But you guys see what I'm talking about, right? Every time. There we go. There we go. Someone's actually dropping a lot of Ripple right now, guys. You guys like that tweet of mine right here? With spiking up the XRP short table, you guys have to understand what this actually means. So guys, this is Udemy's trade challenge number 18. Not a bad trade whatsoever. So for trade number 18 here, we decided to go short on Ripple because we saw this massive spike, okay? And that massive spike in the short table was very indicative, right? So we don't always use Elliott Wave. You guys need to understand that, okay? Elliott Wave is a great tool, but don't always rely on it in terms of thinking it is the only way to trade, okay? So now we're just spiking up here a little bit, right? This guy is trying to overcut me. He senses the market kind of getting hesitation, so I will overcut him now. See this guy right there? So now it's creating some sort of wall that we see. Makes sense? Yeah, this is not going to go up, guys. I'm sorry to say. Definitely ain't going up, man. There's just so much pressure to come down right now. Mine was a really nice little profit there so far. Let's see if we're rounding off here. No, we're not even close to rounding off here on the histogram. In fact, we're more aggressively ticking down, in my opinion. Yeah, this guy is overcutting me again. See, he's definitely trying to overcut me. He sees. He's smart. I don't know if it's just algos doing that or what, but I'm gonna try to just overcut him a little. There we go. He's overcutting me again, right? Let's see. Or it could just be a guy waiting for a lot more liquidity so he can actually dump it on the market as well, right? That's definitely a possibility. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. But there's not much, right? See, this guy's going up now. He put 30 count there, so I'm just going to keep undercutting him here as well. Or overcutting him, rather, because he sees what I'm doing. I see, there we go. He actually did it like, he was anticipating it almost. It's kind of funny. You see this level 2 right here? It's funny, right? Gotta have a really good eye for this kind of stuff, guys. Gotta really pay attention to it sometimes, okay? Is it gonna spike up? Are we gonna make a B wave? Looks like we might. That was a really difficult scalp in my opinion so far. I was basically playing with a 1% range here. There we go. The price is gonna go up a tiny bit now. Looks like the 15-minute chart is going to be worked up here. We might even get one more big wave up, like a huge wave up in my opinion actually, maybe to even up there, 73 ranges. If we do, even better. Okay. Yeah, now it's spiking up here. Not the best trade for me on my end, in my opinion. I don't want to take this profit right here. It's not worth my time. So now I'm definitely losing out on some profit here because we're getting a big one up here. But let's just see how this plays out. I don't know, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and there could be a fifth one coming down, or that could even be ABC, and now we're starting a new wave right here. But see the histogram on 3-minute chart is starting to round up there a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I gotta go eat, honestly. I'm so hungry right now. I wanna go eat some Indian food today. I'm not really up that much anymore. I had a chance to be up like 150, 200, but that's okay. Let's see if this guy ends up dumping even more right now. Come on. We are getting like a tweezer bottom kind of combo pair, and because of that, it's indicative to me that we definitely found the short-term support right here, okay? Okay, so it looks like we're doing pretty well. I just ordered an epic meal. You guys want to see what this is? I got like some shrimp thing, like deep fried shrimp. It's so good. I got a hot and sour soup. I got dumplings, chicken dumpling. I got like, you know, this kind of like a spring roll, shrimp and pork spring rolls. That's a lot of money for food. It really is. 42 euros is what? To me, that's like spending $60 on food for myself today. That's kind of funny actually. Okay, these guys are just dumping, man. They are just dumping away, dumping away, dumping away, dumping away now. There was so much resistance, guys, to go up. It's not happening, man. This is coming down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Oh, 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 oh. See, this guy's trying to like spoof the market right now because he's trying to fill up his short positions. I'm just gonna go 781 here and be super. Let's see if I can get some of mine filled here. No pun intended. I am so hungry right now. I just spent 60 Canadian dollars on food, which is kind of a lot of money for food. But it's okay though, because it's gonna make me very happy. Food should always make everybody happy. It's the best thing in life. Food is absolutely the best thing in life, in my opinion. Look at the same price down here, getting a lower low on RSI. It means it's gonna break down. Woo! Look at this. This guy just dumped 21,000 to me, guys. Look at this. Philicon's gonna be making some money today. Not a bad day, right? Hey! I'm up $140 today earlier. And with this trade right here, I am going to be up pretty decent amount. I'm gonna close it by the end of this video no matter what. So why the heck did I short this, right? I shorted this because I break it down by one wave structure at a time, guys, okay? I just choose the next point right here where I try to identify it as a 5-wave structure. So to me, oh, you guys hear that sound? Right there, okay? So to me, I'm identifying it basically as just this, 1, 2, right? And I assumed this was actually a double top, believe it or not. A double top right there, and I assumed that this would make some sort of ABC coming down. Bam! Something like that perhaps, right at the 55 EMA there. I took the fib range of just right here, and I aimed for anywhere between this specific structure in there. And also, if you look at it from this perspective, right, we're getting way lower highs on the R side despite the same price action. Bam, guys! Mama Whale's up 320 American dollars today for doing nothing.